it's supposed to feel.
Hi, I'm Green Tea Gal, and this is episode 6 of Chainsaw Man. So last week we saw Denji upgrade his life goals from boobs to kissing, but 5 minutes into their new mission and things are already going sideways. Let's watch. I'm amazed he's okay to go alone. He has no idea what could have been in that room. It's like some MC Escher thing. Oh no. They can't even leave the spot. And no, I still haven't learned the lyrics for this yet. Let's just see if there's any food in the fridge. Oh no! How's she gonna blame everybody for her problems? Who knows how long that'll be? Is time even passed the same way here? Yeah, I was about to say, statistically they're gonna starve. How are those her only options? Wow. Power's lack of empathy is astounding. Maybe they can lure something in and break the cycle? Yeah, that's what I thought. There's no way time could pass. You guys remember the movie 1408? We've only just begun. Oh. That's your first thought. Oh, silver linings. This dude really fell asleep. It was food. Nah, he's too goal-oriented for that. What the hell? Who panics and drinks toilet water? I mean, there's still a bathroom. Run the faucet at least. They do not handle stress very well. Bones? Not your lungs? He's not gonna go hit her, is he? He seems like the type that might. I'm glad he picked something so childlike. He could have been vindictive like Denji and just kicked her where the sun don't shine. They really like eyes in this show. Did I kiss her? He came back all calm to tell them that. Really? She snapped so fast. Thank you. Weak sauce. What about her ghosty thing? Also, it's on Jujutsu Kaisen logic. Glad someone figured that out. Why on earth does she think she would win that prize? I love how casually they accept these things. Like, the show was kind of a masterclass in taking the extraordinary and just making it mundane.
でもデンジも殺すつもりはない。
その時は悪いけどデンジ君が死んで
But he's the main character.
全部ない。
Somebody ate it all. Yep.
バレる嘘。
姫
Yeah, those things love fear. What is she even doing? Are they really trying to kill him for street cred? Wow, so it really is like Inception.
いいですよね。姫野先輩。姫野先輩。
Kinky.
おいあんた。
アキ君の寿命がかなり減るのことがたくさんあるんだ
Well, that's sweet.
だからごめんね
Then again, couldn't Denji just kill it from the inside? Ow. Wow, I didn't think he'd throw himself in front of the knife, though. That's, again, very sweet. You're off the team.
こいつの血止められるか。
わしが自由に操れるのは自分の血だけじゃ。他人の血は難儀じゃが。
At least try. It's entirely your fault.
あなたのせいだからあなたがおとなしく食べられてたら解決したのに
自殺させりゃいい。
It's just psychotic enough to
そう
work.
じゃな。
てめえ、俺を
The word is thank you.
誰かに借りつくんだ。
First person to do you a real solid in a while. Oh, I'm right. They do go with MC Escher. I mean, there's no way they couldn't. Cool. Very cool. A lot of nice Aki development in this episode, too. I'm always worried whenever they show flashbacks. That always feels like a red flag, you know? But no, seems like he's gonna be fine. And he's one of the few nice people in the show that actually does something moderately unselfish for Denji. Also, I like the concept behind this devil. Though I'm surprised any of them really want to eat Denji. It feels like the equivalent of throwing your own stomach in a blender. But what do I know? Anyway, that's been episode 6. Tune in next week for episode 7. I've been Green Tea Gal. Thanks for watching.